Hello everyone and welcome back to Izhar Digital Academy. In this website designing series, today we are moving to the next important step, selecting the right theme for your website, installing it on your domain and activating it. Along with that, we will also learn how to create pages and add that to your menu. Before we start designing, we first need to access our WordPress dashboard. In the previous video, I already talked about how to log in a WordPress website. So let's quickly repeat that once again. Open your browser and type your domain name /wp-admin. My domain name is businesstrap.free.nf/wp-admin. Now enter your login credential, your username and password. You can also enter your email ID. Now you are inside the dashboard. This is the dashboard of your website. Now we have to change theme. To change theme, take your mouse on appearance, then click themes. You will see all the themes that are already installed on your website. Now to add theme, click on add theme. Once you click on add theme, WordPress will show you a large collection of themes. You can choose any of them based on your project. However, if you find it difficult to choose, you can type your industry name in the search bar. Suppose I am designing a website for yoga classes. Simply type fitness. WordPress will display themes made specifically for yoga or fitness category. And if you already know the name of theme, you can search directly by its name as well. Let's say I know the name of the theme, B. So I directly type B. In this complete website designing series, I will be teaching you how to design a full website using a B theme. So I will use this theme. Then click on install. Then activate. In today's video, we learn how to choose the right theme, how to install it on your domain, and how to activate it. In the next video, we will learn how to create pages and how to add those pages to the menu. If you want to learn complete website designing for free, please follow this website designing series and don't forget to subscribe my channel Izhar Digital Academy.